Hey guys, welcome back to Shallows Artistry. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a unique looking planter using old oil can. Take an oil can similar to this shape and cut the upper portion. Use any sharp material so that the finishing looks neat. So this is how the base has to look. And now it's time to color it. For coloring, I'm using enamel paint. Enamel paint is the best paint to use on plastic bottles because it doesn't peel off. Though it takes plenty of time to dry, it really works. It doesn't peel off easily and it's going to last for a long time. For adding details, I'm going to use metallic color powder. Take the required amount of metallic color powder and add Fevicol to it. Add some water and bring it to this consistency. Use a small piece of sponge and color it this way. Now let's do some designing work on the upper part of the dress. For the entire painting, I'm going to use the same metallic color powder. Now I'm going to paint the sleeves. This is a full sleeve dress. Now it's time to paint the hands. For this we need a skin color. Since I don't have the skin color, I'm going to mix white color, pink color and orange color. A little amount of orange will do. So a combination of these three colors will give you a skin color and you can use it this way. I'm going to make a V-shaped back neck. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to paint the shoulder and the back portion using skin color. Now it's time to add some glitters to the dress. I'm going to use chumkies, beads and stones for this. Everything golden in color. I'm focusing on every single piece of detail to make it look like a pretty dress worn by a pretty girl, and I want exactly a transformation of an old oil can to look like a beautiful girl wearing a black and golden dress. Once the glitter works are over and the chumkies are done, let it dry for some time. Now that she is almost ready, let's give some final touches. I'm going to apply some nail polish to her nails so she looks graceful, pretty and beautiful. This is how she looks. Look at the transformation, how she was as an old oil can and how she looks now. This planter is very spacious, so you can go for plants that has a deep root system. So guys, if you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.